What's going on, Ghost Squad? Trey here at Ghost Tactical, my beautiful home range, the Cleveland County Shooting Club here in beautiful Heber Springs, Arkansas. Today we're going to go over a rifle scope that was sent to me by MA3TY. It's a pretty cool little scope. I want to say thank you to these guys for sending it to me, and we're going to do some testing. Before we start that, we want to kind of go over some things about this scope. It's a relatively inexpensive scope. I think you can get it online for about $45. That being said, we're going to put it through the ringer to see for $45, is this a viable option for someone out there looking to get into a budget rifle scope for hunting or whatever, precision shooting or whatever. We're going to put it through some ringers, test it out, and see if it's worth anything. The one thing I do like about it is it does have 3 color illumination. It's got red, green, and blue. It's got 3 brightness settings for each color as well. So that's pretty cool. It does come with some fiber optic sights on top for easy acquisition. If you want to just tag it, you've got the fiber optic sights as well. It is a 4x32 scope. For those of you that don't understand what those number means, it means it's a 4 times magnification with a 32mm diameter outward scope. So guys, we're gonna put this in some water. We're gonna drop test it. We're gonna do all sorts of stuff. We're gonna zero it at 100 yards. It says it's already parallaxed, set up for 100 yards. The great thing about it is it's got settings on the scope in here that allow you to shoot at 1, 2, 3, 5, and 600 yards with hopefully without changing the zero knob. So we're gonna put it through the test. We're gonna shoot at 100 yards, zero it in, and then go in to probably about, I think it's about 275 yards or so. We got some steel out there that we're gonna try to ring, and we'll go to it. So have fun. Okay guys, as you can see down below, we've got some gravel here, and we're gonna go ahead with the old drop test to see if it works. Here we go. It still works. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is a water test in case you're out there in the rain, you got the elements out there, you need to know if it's gonna survive and if it's gonna work after it gets wet. So here we go. Let's find out. Sure enough, it's still rocking and rolling. Okay guys, well I hope you enjoyed the video of me shooting. I zeroed it in 100 yards and we hit some steel. They say it's about 275 yards, not quite 300, but I tell you what guys, right out of the box, it was pretty close to zero. Only had to make a couple adjustments to get it on zero. And then as you saw with the drop test and the water test, it never failed. We hit steel after steel after steel. So I'm actually pretty impressed for a rifle scope that's a 4x32 that only costs you about $45. I'm really excited about something like this that could be helpful to someone who's trying to get into the scope game but may not want to spend a lot of money until they realize if they like it or not. I think this very well could be a very good option for someone who's looking to get into a cheap rifle scope. Once again guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in this scope, the link is in the description below. So guys, I really appreciate you watching. We'll see you next time. Semper Fi.
Oh, hey guys, sorry, doing a little work on the AR. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Maybe hit the notification bell and hit that like button. If you really liked the video, then we ask you to go check out some videos over here and check out our website, www.ghosttactical.us. Semper Fi.